something new, a spark to ignite. Countless hours of practice, honing every skill, focused on his mission with ironclad will. Challenges arise, setbacks in the way, but he stands up stronger every single day, searching for solutions with vision and with grace, determined to succeed in this relentless race. He's chasing dreams with every beat and rhyme, creating something brilliant with the sands of time. Through ups and downs, he never lets it fall. In the end, a masterpiece, the greatest of them all. Precision in his movements, dedication in his heart. Every stroke, every note, a work of pure art. Focus like a laser, relentless and unwavering. He knows that in the end, his effort will be savoring. Obstacles and doubts, they try to cloud his mind, but with every setback, a new path he will find. Resilient and unwavering, he marches ever forth, crafting his creation of immeasurable worth. He's chasing dreams with every beat and rhyme, creating something brilliant with the sands of time. Through ups and downs, he never lets it fall. In the end, a masterpiece, the greatest of them all. Now the final touches, the vision comes alive. Every detail perfect in this grand drive. Blood, sweat, and tears all poured into this. At the end of the journey, a moment of bliss. With pride in his eyes and joy in his soul, he sees the masterpiece finally whole. From trials and tribulations to a work of art, he knows that in this journey he played his part. He's chasing dreams with every beat and rhyme, creating something brilliant with the sands of time. Through ups and downs, he never lets it fall. In the end, a masterpiece, the greatest of them all.